You want to digitize your entire HR department, and you want to do it fast. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to replace clunky spreadsheets, paperwork, and manual processes with one streamlined digital system that handles everything from onboarding to payroll. And yes, you can do it all without hiring a developer. I tested the most popular HR software out there, from Bamboo HR to Gusto to Zoho People, and found what works, what's bloated, and what gives you the most automation for your time. The tool I recommend is linked below with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. Here's exactly how to digitize your HR department step by step. Start by centralizing your employee data. Choose a cloud-based HR platform that offers a single dashboard for employee profiles, job titles, contracts, leave balances, performance data, and payroll details. This replaces paper files and Google Sheets with real-time access and version control. You'll never dig through folders again. Next, automate your onboarding. Set up a digital workflow that triggers when a new employee is hired. This should automatically send offer letters, collect tax documents, assign e-signable contracts, schedule orientation sessions, and even issue company equipment, all with zero back-and-forth emails. Now digitize time-off requests and approvals. Employees should be able to request PTO or sick leave through the HR portal. Set rules for automatic approvals or manager-level alerts. This eliminates messy calendar invites or verbal agreements that fall through the cracks. Move on to performance reviews. Use pre-built templates to create structured review cycles, assign peer reviews, self-assessments, and manager feedback, all tracked digitally with completion reminders and deadlines. This keeps your HR team from chasing people manually. For payroll, integrate your HR platform with your accounting software, or use an all-in-one tool with built-in payroll. Make sure it syncs automatically with hours worked, leave taken, and benefits deductions. This step alone can cut your admin time in half. Then, digitize your compliance. Upload your employee handbook, policies, and training records. Add e-signature confirmations and time-stamped acknowledgements. This not only keeps you compliant, but also saves you if you're ever audited or face disputes. Don't forget employee self-service. A solid HR system lets staff update their personal info, download payslips, submit expense claims, and view leave balances without contacting HR. Finally, use built-in reports and analytics. Generate real-time data on turnover, absenteeism, diversity, and more. Use this data to make smarter HR decisions instead of relying on gut instinct. The software I recommend does all of this in one place. It's beginner-friendly, doesn't overwhelm you with features you won't use, and scales with your team as you grow. I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description just for Dan Thorne channel viewers. No credit card required. So here's your key takeaway. Digitizing your HR department isn't just about saving time. It's about removing friction, improving employee experience, and making HR a strategic powerhouse instead of a paperwork factory. Quick recap. Choose an all-in-one HR platform, centralize employee data, automate onboarding, digitize leave requests, set up digital performance reviews, integrate payroll, upload compliance docs, offer employee self-service, and use your analytics. Follow these steps and you'll go from manual to fully digital in under a day. Grab that exclusive free trial in the description while it's still active and start streamlining your HR today.